All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, you should have your design finalized. And we are now going to go to a program called Vectric VCarve, and that is found in the CAD folder on the desktop of the VMware site that we use. And you can go in there, and the first thing you're going to have to do is create a new file. So create a new file, it's on the left-hand corner. And you're going to have to tell the program how big your CNC machine is, your robotic cutter is. Because the robot is only so big, and if you try to make a design that is too big to be cut out by our robot, then you can't make it. And that's kind of the whole point here. You have to figure out how to make this stuff in real life, not just on paper. So our large CNC machine is 4 feet by 4 feet, so it can cut out half of a sheet of plywood at a time. So what you can do is you can go into job size, X and Y, and type in 48 inches wide and 48 inches high. And right here under material, you have the option of having the zero, what the robot thinks the 0 point is, as being the top of the plywood or the bottom of the plywood. Now, if all you're doing is a logo type design that's carved into plywood or MDF or another material, then place the 0 at the top of the material. And if you're cutting the entire thing out all the way through the plywood, then you're going to be doing it at the bottom of the plywood. The 0 is at the bottom here. The thickness is for plywood and MDF, 0.75 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to make the XY datum position where it starts in the lower left-hand corner. And double check to make sure the use offset option is not being used. At which point in time, you say, OK. And that is material setup for VCarve. At this point in time, you'll move on to drawing, and that is another video. Thanks. Good luck.